Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on Xbox with a keyboard and mouse. First, simply plug your wired USB keyboard and mouse into any of the available USB ports on your Xbox console. The Xbox should automatically detect these devices. It's important to ensure your specific Roblox game supports this input method for the best experience. We'll cover how to check that in the next step. Now, it's crucial to understand that not every Roblox game on Xbox is designed for keyboard and mouse input. Some games might only offer partial support, or none at all. Before diving in, check the game's description or its in-game settings menu for any mention of keyboard and mouse compatibility. You might need to try a few different Roblox experiences to find the ones that work best for you. Once your devices are connected, you might want to fine-tune your Xbox settings for a more comfortable gaming experience. Head to your Xbox dashboard, then go to Settings and find Devices and Connections. Here, you can select mouse and keyboard to adjust things like mouse sensitivity, acceleration, and even your keyboard layout. Taking a few moments to customize these can significantly improve your gameplay. Finally, here are some troubleshooting tips and best practices. If your keyboard and mouse aren't responding, a simple restart of your Xbox console often resolves the issue. Remember, wired devices are generally more reliable for this setup. Wireless options might need specific adapters. Also, keep in mind that even in compatible games, you might occasionally need your controller for certain menu navigations or initial game selections. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.